All right, so practice problem 2 is a bit different. This time we are given an equation of a line and a point, but instead of looking for a line that goes through this point and is parallel, we are asked to find a line that is perpendicular to this line. So we are still ultimately trying to find my slope and my y-intercept, but the difference now is that I'm not just given my slope. I have to do a little bit of math in order to find the slope. So if my ultimate line is going to be perpendicular to this one, right now the slope, you can barely see, it has a little negative there in front of the x. So that means right now my slope is -1/1. A line that is perpendicular to that is going to be the negative reciprocal, which means I'm going to flip the order of these numbers, which is kind of boring on this one because it's still 1/1. And I'm also going to change the sign. So it started out as a negative slope. Now it's a positive slope. So when I'm plugging in over here, my slope is ultimately going to be 1. I've still got to find my y-intercept. And from here on out, it's exactly the same as a parallel problem because now I have an ordered pair, which gives me an x value and a y value that I can plug in. So my y value is 4, my slope is 1, my x is 1, and I'm saying plus b. So 1 times 1 is 1, and I can subtract 1 from both sides, which leaves me 3 is equal to b. So when I go back over and finally plug that into my equation, my answer becomes 1x plus 3. And that's my equation. All right, if you need further help on the other examples, feel free to view